Hey, while majority of us was looking forward a special keynote for Apple to showcase new iPads alongside M4 Macs, Cupertino's giant decided to surprise us with out-of-the-blue online launch, featuring its latest iPad mini iteration with some fine improvements that at first glance may appear small ones, yet actually are more than sufficient to consider 7th generation as a potential device of choice. Before we move on, question: will you buy this iPad mini? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so when there's the next video. This one is powered by Benks. I had an opportunity to test many of their products so far, including Infinity iPad Pro stand, Urban Pro case with a keyboard and a trackpad, my personal favorite Infinity Mac stand for laptops, various chargers including InvisiBoost MagSafe with hydrogel cooling and a kickstand, as well as some recent 3-in-1 options like super high quality Infinity Omni, foldable JuicePod 3 and their budget-friendly on-go wireless charger. Benks products feature great build quality and innovative design. Follow the link in the description and in a pinned comment to get one of these. Keep in mind they just launched a new line of iPhone 16 cases, which you should definitely check. Use Digital Markings 15 code for 15% off. Now let's go. For a long time, we've been listening some users' cravings for a device that will pack pro features in the form factor of the smallest iPad. While 7th generation may not be fully categorized as a mini Pro, this new iteration brought few changes that can make this tablet much in line with this designation. And it's not just because of the processor. 7th gen model packs powerful A17 Pro Silicon, a 3nm chip that was unveiled last year with the launch of iPhone 15 Pro models, with up to 50% faster memory bandwidth, more powerful CPU and GPU clock speeds, more L2 cache, including additional system memory. This year's Mini is a serious performer specs-wise. And yes, as it appears, the iPad Mini 7 comes with 8 gigs of memory, so you are in for a treat. In order to make this launch more tasty, Apple wasn't shy on giving it more storage, so the base configuration now starts with 128 gigs instead of 64, as it was the case with the Mini 5 and Mini 6. Just by looking at these numbers, you can actually realize that this wasn't just a typical incremental upgrade that we got used to expect from Cupertino's fruit. Apple didn't let us down with few other internals either, although this was more than anticipated. Up-to-date 6E Wi-Fi is on board and Bluetooth 5.3, which is more reliable and secure comparable to version 5, which was within 6th generation iPad mini. It also seems that its USB-C port is now capable of reaching up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, which is twice faster than 2021 edition. Obviously, it hasn't been all shiny with this newest mini iteration. According to regulatory filling, iPad mini is still limited to 20 watts charging speeds. If we look at Geekbench listings, A17 Pro on the iPad mini looks slower than the version on the iPhone 15 Pro. It also lacks 1 GPU core. We have seen something similar with the 6th generation and slightly downgraded version of the A15 processor. The display size and specs haven't changed at all, and it was probably something that majority of us could have guessed. The question, will forward-facing shooter be relocated, has been answered too, negatively though, which makes sense to me as I mentioned a couple of times in my earlier videos. Yet probably the biggest surprise to me is the support for Apple Pencil Pro. At the first glance, this may be a big deal. Is Apple now interested in somehow aligning this model closer to the class for professionals? It is the idea, yet 8.3-inch display remained the same in every way with 60Hz refresh rate, regardless if it's Apple Pencil Hover ready. 2 microphones and stereo speakers appear equal to the one on its predecessor, so it's hard to tell. I can assume something more radical. Apple Pencil Pro and iPad mini could just mean that not only we will witness the retirement of the original Apple Pencil, but the second generation as well. And that's a big one. What do you think about that? Please answer below. In any case, with unchanged price tag of $499 for a base model, Apple Intelligence support, whatever that's supposed to mean at the moment, and all the other improvements, iPad mini 7 is a big upgrade and could become an attractive option to many, even those who haven't considered this kind of tablet before. So overall, thumbs up for Apple. Good job. And that would be all. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. I'm Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.